Do you know how to get the most out of the Herofol Denso range in every type of application? Fertilizers in the Herofol Denso range have been formulated to offer easy application, great versatility of use, and excellent compatibility. For foliar application, whether you are applying Herofol Denso on its own or together with other products, make sure to adjust the pH of the water or solution beforehand to between 6 and 7 to optimize the absorption of the treatment. Add Herofol Denso gradually and keep stirring constantly until it is completely dissolved. It is now ready for application. For fertigation application, Herofol Denso can be applied by direct injection or as part of a nutrient solution. Fertigation by direct injection. Always respect the maximum recommended concentration. Remember that it is essential to shake the bottle before use. Prepare a stock solution by dissolving the product in water. Add the product gradually and keep stirring constantly. Fertigation in the preparation of nutrient solutions. You can integrate Herofol Denso into multi-tank solutions, either by replacing part of the usual soluble fertilizer or by supplementing it with an additional input. If you choose to substitute it, replace between 25 and 50 kilograms of soluble fertilizer with 20 to 40 liters of Herofol Denso in 1,000 liters of water. If supplementing, add 20 liters of Herofol Denso to 100 kilograms of the usual soluble fertilizer, also in 1,000 liters of water. In both cases, fill the tank halfway with water. Add Herofol Denso to the tank little by little, stirring constantly. Fill the tank completely with water. It is essential to ensure a homogeneous mixture, either by mechanical agitation or a bubbling system. Remember that a change in the color of the water alone does not guarantee that the mixture has completely dissolved, so it is crucial to continue stirring for several minutes. For application in semi-hydroponic systems. Finally, if you want to apply Herofol Denso in semi-hydroponic systems, you will need to adjust the dosage. To optimize nutrition, follow the instructions shown on the label. Use only 1/3 of the usual dosage,